Who's a naughty dog today? That's you, isn't it, Harry? Yes, you were. And don't give me that feel sorry face, because it's not going to work. Who's a naughty dog today? It's you, isn't it, Harry? And don't give me that face. Have you been very naughty today? You are, aren't you? That's why you've been very quiet. Are you gonna be very good? You promise? Hey? Hey? Yes, yes.